In this video, I'll explain how to buy a test product. From your dashboard, go to the product page. And select the product which you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy Class 11 chapter wise test. I'll go to proceed to buy option to view all those products under the Class 11. Suppose I want to buy chapter wise test products. I'll select Physics, Chemistry, Math of Class 11. Let's assume I want to buy live test also. Then I'll select live test of Class 11. Then at the bottom you will see your complete order details and the pricing associated with those products. Go to buy now. You can buy your test product either by using credit card, Visa, MasterCard or UPI app like UPI or QR app, or through net banking or through wallet. Let's assume I am going to buy a product by using net banking. I'll select any of the bank, or I can have an option to select other bank. Let's assume we'll buy our test product by using SBI net banking. Proceed to pay. The page will auto refresh. And here it is, success. You can view your order details. And to access those test products, go to your dashboard. Now you can see those two tests are getting activated under your dashboard. The first one is chapter wise test for all the 3 chapters of Class 11 for IIT JEE, and the second one is live test of Class 11. Test links are activated. You can also view your last order through order history page. If you want to refund your product, select this option to go for refund. If you want to send this order details through email, go to email option. If you want to print the order detail, go to print option. So this way you can purchase your test products, and those test products will get automatically activated under your test dashboard, and correspondingly the result dashboard will get also automatically activated for those tests. So whenever you will keep on updating, completing your test, corresponding reports are getting populated under report dashboard also. Thank you.